Hello, my name is Doug Buggle and I'm a regional sales rep for Peak Toolworks. In today's video, I'd like to talk to you on how to determine when it is time to get your diamond tooling serviced. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you three things to look for. Number one is actually the sound the machine makes while the tool is cutting. If you notice an increased volume in the tool cutting, the machine is louder, that is a sign that the tool is struggling in the cut and it's time to take the tool off and inspect it for service. The second thing is actually the color of the wood pitch. As in this tool, you can see that the wood pitch is a dark brown. That is definitely an indicator that the tool needs to be serviced. If you notice that the wood pitch or the diamond is completely black, you have overran the tool, and this is definitely time to take it for service for sure. The last thing and the third thing is looking for small chips and nicks in the tool. The way to do this safely is to take a business card, preferably my business card, and you actually can take your card and run it right over the edge of the tooling, pushing lightly. This way you can feel for any chips or nicks in the diamond, which is an indicator that the tool needs to be serviced at your local Peak Toolworks service center. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. You can actually get more information by going to our website at www.peaktoolworks.com, or you can email us at sales@peaktoolworks.com. Thank you.